Heaven ignites with a war cry. Kings of the earth march blind in rage, dragged by the lies of the serpent's cage. Blood red moon on the battlefield, steel against truth, no shield can shield. Echoes of prophecy scream through the land. Armageddon burns beneath their stand. Whispers of doom in the midnight wind. The fall of empire soaked in sin. Armageddon fire, final storm from heaven's choir. When the sun rises down in blazing light, darkness breaks, consumed by the fire. End of the world's desire. When the King of Kings draws his sword, every knee falls before the Lord. Beast on the throne with a crown of lies. False prophet calls with deceiving eyes. Nations unite for a final stand against the one who formed the land. Thunder cracks, every mountain shakes. The seals are broken, the whole world wakes. Heavenly armies ride in white, shattering shadows, ending the night. Drums of wrath pound across the sky. No more time to question why. Armageddon fire, final storm from heaven's choir. When the sun rises down in blazing light, darkness breaks, consumed by the fire. End of the world's desire. When the King of Kings draws his sword, every knee falls before the Lord. Chains fall down, the serpent bound. Silence after the battleground. Echoes fade of a world undone. A kingdom rises with the whole